Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters. This is Dr. Muhammad Atiyah, CEO of Seven Sparks Relief Foundation. I've been kindly invited by the management. I've had a dialysis center in Mirpur Hospital. This is a non-governmental organization running the facility. They are doing a great job, mashallah. They have different departments and wards for the dialysis. We've seen many machines, mashallah, many patients, and they have great work. They need support because 75% of the expenses are privately secured through donations. And they have shown us the dialysis machines, and they have 3 different departments, one for the negative, one for the type C, and one for type B hepatitis, just not to infect the patients who are already alhamdulillah not infected. So wallahi, they are doing a great job, and they're giving relief to hundreds of patients throughout the area. So I would highly recommend that all of you support them, inshallah, with your dua and obviously with your funds. And they can only continue if we continue to support them, and this for the service of the poor and the needy of the area here in Azad, Kashmir area. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.